Hey guys, welcome back to the Romano Show, and today we are playing Roleplay Doors, the multiverse. I have beat the game. I know all about doors. So, let me look there. Oh, dude, you have like morphs and stuff. Oh, hello, Rush. Oh, we can press we gotta press M. Okay, there. Who should we morph into, dude? Oh my god, they got everyone. Let's do Figure. Because Figure's like one of my favorite. Wait a sec. Dude, you can do his... Hold on, let me get rid of this leaderboard. Hold on, let me press down again. Never mind. Dude, look at this. There's my mice. Let's get rid of the leaderboard. You can do the... Yeah, you can do... Oh my... That is so cool. Dude, what happens if you do... Oh, there's extras. Oh, it's like when you die, dude. Here, let's go to the library and do that. Figure. Oh, let's receive. Alright. Dude, this is the best game ever. How about we seek? I have an idea. And we can go to the map. Let's go to his hallways. Is he called teleport? Dude, like he can do the you can do the jump scare. Oh my god, there's we can rise? Oh dude, it's just like the game. Okay, I ain't moving. Oh, there I am. I can scream and I can even do the jump scare, dude. Can I go through doors? Dude! I have an idea, wait. Alright. Wait, jump scare again? Wait, I know what to do, No, morphs. We become Rush. Like this, so you'll see. Dude, it's gonna be just like it. Dude, that is so cool. Dude. Okay, well, what else we got here? Ayo, Figure. We got... Ah! Oh my god. Hey, I'll be right there. What else we got here? Oh, we got Glitch. Let's do Ambush. Dude, Ambush is one of my favorite characters. Let's do his jump scare. I've only seen Ambush's jump scare once, and that was our last video. Ah, you can't even jump at this game. Let's see what other morphs. You got eyes. Let's be eyes. Attack? You can't. Eyes can attack. Oh, I make that noise. What else we got? We got Glitch. Let's become Glitch. We can do Glitch's jump scare, dude. Dude, that's amazing. These are like the best morphs ever. Let's go morphs again. Let's do Screech. Oh, I hate Screech so much. He doesn't have a good jump scare. The only one we haven't been yet is Halt. Dude, anytime I beat the game, I beat it only once. It's actually really hard. Oh, and you didn't notice our elf on the shelf is up there. We didn't know we had one. Dude, what about... What's the message? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I love this. Alright, you guys, we will make another one of these, and we will actually go to, like, the library and stuff, and probably where Halt is. Alright, we'll make another of this video soon. This is only part 1. Bye!